My question is regarding the nowadays for calculation, Excel sheets are used in HPLC and all other things. So in computer system validation, particularly with respect to Excel sheet, what are the parameters actually US FDA inspectors they look into?
You have to look at Part 11. But basically what they want to do, for instance, if you're using an Excel spreadsheet, in places where you do calculations and things, they want you to lock the particular cell where the result is so that nobody can go in and change it. You have to have validated, your macros and things like that, and that has to be validated on your own. Excel itself, they won't question. It's an off-the-shelf software.
Yeah.
But any modifications you make, you're going to have to validate. And basically, the validation is that you have to prove that any changes, the process produces the right result. One of the things that people do is you got to ask the company. And Agilent's here, right, someplace. You find out from them what calculations are being done inside the instrument. And then you sit down, you get a raw test result, whatever the original reading was. And you sit down with that result and you manually go through the calculations and see if the result that you get there corresponds to what the machine gave you. And by doing that, you can validate the operation of the machine. However, if you've got a big system, like a LIMS system or something like that, forget it, call in a consultant, okay, because that's a major problem. And I think we have somebody from Deloitte over here that, they do that kind of stuff. Okay. And for big systems, yeah, you really need a consultant, unless you've got a good IT team. But there are very few IT teams that can handle pharmaceutical processes. So. But Excel, you can pretty much do that yourself.